Hey, welcome to the Hostinger coupon code channel, the one place where you actually get the maximum discount on Hostinger hosting, not just the average deal floating around on the internet. Let's be real, if you've been searching online, you've probably already seen a 10% coupon code somewhere. But here's the thing, that's only half of what's actually available. This channel exists to make sure you don't leave money on the table because a full 20% discount is within your reach right now. Here's what makes this even better. You don't need to copy paste or manually enter any coupon code at all. I've set up a special link that automatically applies the 20% discount the moment you land on Hostinger's official website. It works across all countries, supports local currencies, and is available in multiple languages, so no matter where you're watching from, this deal is for you. Once you're on the Hostinger site, head to the navigation bar and click on Products and Services. This will open up their entire range of hosting solutions from cloud hosting and web hosting to their website builder and business email plans. To demonstrate just how smoothly this works, I'm navigating over to the VPS hosting section where you'll find four powerful plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm selecting the KVM2 plan, which is a fantastic option for most users, and the moment I hit checkout, there it is, 20% off, applied automatically with zero extra steps. Clean, simple, and incredibly satisfying. Before you go try this yourself, here's one golden tip. Use an email address that you haven't previously registered on Hostinger, as the offer is designed for new signups. If this saved you some cash today, show some love by liking the video and hitting that subscribe button. It really does help the channel grow.